Market Analysis Tutorial and Instructions. The Market Analysis section of the business plan is where the market of the company will be operating in is explained. Here, it is important to illustrate the industry the company will be operating in. This should be done with a narrative description and possibly a graphic if available and necessary. Industry analysis is often available from third-party research firms. Target market is a subsection in the market analysis section. Here, a description of who the products and/or services will be marketed to is discussed. If the company has a brick-and-mortar operation in which products and/or services will be sold, some data on the location may be included. This data is typically in the form of demographic statistics, which many times include age, income level, marital status, and the like. Competitive analysis is the next subsection of the market analysis area of the business plan. The competition the company will face for its products and/or services should be covered here. There will be direct competitors, other companies that are involved with selling the same products and/or services, and indirect competitors, those companies who sell products and/or services that can be used as alternatives. In this subsection, the competitive advantage the company will have over others in the market is discussed as well. The next subsection under market analysis is the S.W.o.t, or SWOT, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Here, describe the influences within the company that will lead to or hamper success in achieving goals. There are often external and internal elements that will have a positive or negative impact on the company achieving goals. These should be addressed here. In the plug-and-plan template, users are supplied with a solid market analysis that can be used. Research references are sourced in the back of the plan under the addendum section. In this section, the target market is also discussed for the business. The template provides a high-level target market analysis that can be used as is, or users can add to this area of the business plan by searching for some specific data about the target market they will be operating in. If users wish to dig deeper into their target market and add information into the plan, they will be looking for data such as the demographics of the customers the company will be targeting. The results of an internet search for this information can then be pasted into the business plan here in this section. The plug-and-plan template has a blue highlighted space where users can type in the location of their business and where it will operate. The plug-and-plan template provides a general competitive analysis and advantage statement for the industry that can be used as is or as base content to add to. If users wish, they can add specific competitors within their market. A sample SWOT analysis is included as well with the plug-and-plan template, which covers the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for the business. This SWOT analysis is in the form of a smart art graphic. By clicking it and entering each area of the graphic, users can customize the points if needed to suit their specific company.